Hey new teacher. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Teacher Sarah for those of you that are new. Today's video is for my new referrals, Erica, Nina, Tori, Candace, and Diamond. Welcome. I'm so excited for you guys. You're each in different phases of the application process. Some of you are waiting for your first classes. And I have one tip for success that is going to get you to the next level. Whether you're in the application process or waiting for your first class, this tip is universal. And that is that you need to show up every single day. You need to show up for yourself. You need to show up for your students. What does this look like for those of you that are in the application process? This means that every day you're spending half an hour to an hour watching videos, reading articles, practicing, getting in front of your camera and feeling comfortable with the space that you have. Every day you can be doing exercises to improve your online teaching skills. So take some time every day as you're in the application process to further your success as an online teacher. For those of you who have made it through the application process and are waiting for your first class, show up for your students every day. So you've opened your slots and your schedule is 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Whether you get students or not, make sure you are up and ready between 5 and 7 a.m. Continue to watch videos, continue to engage in these communities, continue to take workshops to learn more about online teaching and TPR and what it looks like when you're correcting a student or dealing with a difficult behavior. There are books and articles and journals and movies and documentaries about consistency. And if you look at all of these successful people and you ask them one question, 90% of the time it's going to be that they showed up for themselves every single day. They were consistent. They consistently worked at their own success. Successful people do that. Successful people show up for themselves. And I found that my successful referrals are the ones that are asking questions. They're engaging. They're taking in multiple resources and analyzing it for themselves and figuring out what is best for them and their own teaching style. These are the successful teachers. And if you, new teacher, want to be successful, show up every single day. Be consistent. That will lead you to success. And this is a short and sweet video because today I am struggling with consistency. I have tons and tons of things that I could be doing, but I want to be consistent. I'm going to show up for you every week. I'm going to show up for myself every day. So I'm finally going to tell you about the hutang next week. Drop a comment below with topics and questions that you have so that I can help prepare content that's going to help you become more successful. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.